So we are now standing with Galerie Fontana from Amsterdam. You are presenting something that seems to me like a slaughterhouse scene or something. It's one artist, I guess, who made some installation. What do we see?
It is indeed one artist's solo presentation. It does look like a slaughterhouse in its style. It is, however, called Woven Skins, and it's made from wool. It's actually an installation that comprises 60 pieces.
Okay.
It just got back from the Lakenhal Museum in Leiden in the Netherlands, and it has also traveled around a few eco summits around the world, amongst Venice and New York. It's a pamphlet or an outcry for the state of the environment and the climate. And Claudy Jongstra, who's a wool artist, wants to demonstrate with this her ideologic activism by giving it an idea. As you see, they come in different styles, and they are now for the first time sold also individually.
Okay.
So people can comprise one of those. They are 15,000 each.
Each means each will not these four are one object, but each one is
Just
one.
Yes.
Okay.
But they can get the metal frame with it if they want. Yes. She has also made more free work, which is on the other side.
Okay.
Can we go there?
Let's go there. Ah, okay.
So it's not very well lit, but you see this is one of the latest free work. This just comes from her studio, and this part, for example, is the one we have just shown in the gallery. We had a large exhibition with Claudy Jongstra, and she makes all these colors herself in her garden. So she has a big farmhouse. She employs a lot of people, around 20, 30 young individuals. And to make the dye from the plants, she has her own sheep herd. And all this comes together with education for young people. Yeah. So there's a lot more to her career than just the artwork itself.
And also the works inside the booth, they are also with natural colors out of flowers or out of natural ingredients?
They all come from from flowers, but also and plants. But it's mainly colors that we don't have anymore, because nowadays you see a lot of synthetic colors. These are natural colors. This is like the palette of Rembrandt, Vermeer, and there are a few more on the other side if we have a moment.
Tell me, how is the reaction of this booth?
Well, I think it's surprisingly, people find it very interesting, because it's not just a work of art, it conveys a message.
Yes.
And it's an important message. These works, for example, are made and they symbolize more or less the farmland around her farm. If you nowadays look at farming, the biodiversity is of course very poor. It starts to come more and more, but it needs a lot of work in order that the ground is healthy again and has more chance for well, let's say normal natural life.
Thank you very much.
Well, thank you.